If your pants are torn, don't worry. You can fix them easily at home in just a few minutes. Here's how. First, trim the frayed edges around the tear to make it neat. Then draw a curved line that follows the shape of the cut. Grab a strong thread and a sharp steel needle. Use a threader to pass the thread through the needle. Start stitching from the inside of the fabric and work your way out. Make the first stitch on one side of the tear. The next stitch on the opposite side, following the line you drew. Keep alternating left and right, making small, tight stitches close together. This helps the repair look clean and professional. Make sure both sides are sewn evenly and in the same direction. Always match the thread color to the fabric so it blends in naturally. This method is called invisible stitching, and it works great for fixing holes or loose seams in pants. When you're done stitching, gently pull the thread to close the tear neatly. Tie a small knot, tuck it into the seam so it stays hidden, and trim the extra thread. Your repair is now strong, clean, and almost invisible, just like new.